everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Sketchbox Day. Sketchbox is a monthly art subscription box. They always put amazing artwork on the cover, on the box, but this month the post office decided to cover it up. Oh man, and the sticker ripped it. So unfortunately, I won't be able to fully experience this gorgeous artwork. Super sticky sticker. This artist is Brian Nguyen, and you can actually put your art on their boxes, use the supplies in the box, and tag them, and then they pick somebody to put on the box. This is the month of February. Let's see what's inside. So, opening it up, first thing we have is the Pilot Parallel Pen. Looks like a super cool calligraphy pen. That would be fun. I've never seen that before. Oh yeah, it's a flat. That'll be cool. We'll swatch these when we're done. A PVC free eraser by Faber-Castell. A Zebra Delgard 0.5 mechanical pencil with eraser. A ruler, Sketchmate by Rapid Design. A Unimix Nano Dia Color lead. There's a bunch of different colors in there, so that'll be fun. A mixable color. Oh, for the parallel pen. That's nice. So you've got a bunch of colors in there. It says mixable. We'll have to see what that means. If I can actually take it off and it won't leak, or if it's going to leak as soon as I put it on. Because typically with pens like this, once you put it on, you have to use all the ink. And well, that's not as fun when you're trying to draw, but it seems pretty cool. The artwork is a super cool shoe artwork by Matthew Bowman. You can follow them there. A clear print vellum ink block panel. So it's just a normal panel with a kind of lightweight vellum paper. Oh, so you're supposed to move the paper and put that down to protect it, so because things will bleed through. The SketchBox card and sticker. So one of the best things about SketchBox is they have the Get SketchBox School, where they show you how to use the supplies, so we will definitely check them out. We will also swatch these. Really quick, the mechanical pencil is $7.20. Oh, this mechanical pencil. Sorry, $7.20. That's the mechanical pencil. The lead is $3.30. The eraser, which is super heavy, I really like it, is $2.05. The parallel pen is $10. Parallel pen refill pack is $3.90. The Sketchmate ruler is $10.95, which is a crazy price for a little plastic ruler. And the vellum paper is $9.80. So let me know what you thought of this month's Sketchbox in the comment box below. I will go ahead and swatch and create something. So as always, thanks for watching.